Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. Today I wanted to come to you all and do like a foundation try on. I have a new foundation. It's new to me. It's been out for a while, but I just recently picked this up. Well, not recently. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. I've had it for a couple of weeks and it's been sitting in my little stash box. So I wanted to come on here and film like a first impressions for you all. I did swatch it on my cheeks just to make sure the color was okay, and from what I saw it seemed okay, but I haven't done like a full test on it. So I wanted to come on here and do a full like first impressions try on with you all and see. I'm not sure if you've tried this foundation. Let me know down below in the comment section. The shade I picked up is Mocha 500G. I actually based that off of a chart that she had. They gave like, you know, similar, it was something like a foundation matrix chart, like gave similar foundation shades. If you're this shade in this particular foundation, then you should try Mocha 500G. So that's what I did. I hope it worked, because picking foundations online is like the worst, because I just saw in my Sephora they're about to get this foundation and I was like, damn it, I could have waited and got my perfect shade. So on the Sephora website, it does retail for $40. It says that it is a full coverage foundation. It is good for normal, dry, combination, or oily skin. It says it has a natural finish, and like I said, it does say it's a full coverage cream foundation that visibly conceals blemishes and imperfections for a filter-like finish. So I've heard really good things about the foundation. Like I said, I just haven't ordered it online. It was always out of stock. And actually when I was in the Sephora, I'm not sure if they were just out of stock or they hadn't put everything out, but it wasn't there. Like a lot of the shades weren't there. Or a lot of the, you know how they have like the testers or whatever. So I picked this up when it came back in stock. I was like, go ahead and try it. Let's pray for the best. Hopefully this color works for me. They call this the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation. So like I said, I've heard really good things about it. This is what it looks like. And it's like, I thought it was glass, but it's not. It's like a plastic container. And Lord, it comes with a pump as well, which is always a plus. It's very sleek packaging. I love, you know, the shape of it. It's like, it's really cute. So very modern, like, I want to say. This is 1.18 fluid ounces, which is like typical amount. I want to say 1 fluid ounce is like the typical amount that you get for a foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on. First, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my skin, because all I did was cleanse my face and exfoliate. So I'm going to use this Believe True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I've been using this for the winter time. So I'm going to go ahead and pop some of that on right now. I'm going to also go in with some of this Olay Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I've been using this on a daily and I really like it. And a little bit of it goes a long way. And I just use my ring finger to pat it. I did also put a little bit of lip balm on my lips. This is the lip balm by Summer Rain. This one isn't the rose one. I think this is just a regular shea butter one. But I just put that on there. And again, you can get that from summerrain.com. I put their information down in the bottom bar. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm a brush girl at heart. So I'm going to take this Morphe Y16 brush. It's a flat foundation brush. And I'm going to use that. And I'm going to start out with 2 pumps. And I'm just going to pump it on the back of my hand. Looks a little bit dark. I hope it's not too dark. And I'm going to start with just one side of my, you know what? We ain't primed or nothing. Prime, I'm going to use this Smashbox. This is the Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. I've used this a couple of times. I actually really like it. It actually It actually mattifies my skin. So I'm going to place it in my T-zone where I get the oiliest and prime there. And just rub it in afterwards. Don't look too bad. Everybody talks about the smell of this foundation, and it does have a smell, Very perfumey. Smells good though. Doesn't smell bad. Some people were exaggerating like, oh my god, what does it smell? Why does it smell so strong? Look at that coverage though. Come through coverage. Oh my god. Okay. And when I tell you it covers up every little mole I have, I see a little bit of this goes a long way. Can y'all see this? The color is perfect though. I can say that for sure. It looks more of a demi matte finish. It's not all the way matte right now. And I need one more pump. Probably not even a full pump, but I need one more pump for my forehead. So a full face for me takes about 3 pumps, I'm gonna say. This coverage is dope. I am all for full coverage foundation. Some people like the sheer, you know, look or whatever. And, you know, if I'm going for that day, but I don't normally like it. I am a full coverage girl. I like my concealer to cover. I like the foundation to cover. And I even have a little bit more left. This coverage is amazing. The foundation, the actual shade is dope. Because my undertones are weird. So here's what it looks like. And it is more of a matte, but it's definitely full coverage. Like, there's no doubt about that. But I absolutely love the coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and just finish the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, beauty, so here's my finished look. I'm really loving this foundation so far. I love the finish of it. It is a matte finish, and I love that because I can get a little bit oily. I have a little bit of like a combination skin type, so I am loving the finish. I'm loving this look. I use my Juvias Saharan palette for this eye look, and I'm really loving it. I used some new lashes that I'm trying out by Lash Kitty. These are in the style Ariele, and I'm really loving this look. So, oh, and this is also a new gloss. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip by Ellarie in Colourpop. This is in the shade Steelo. And I'm also gonna have a video dedicated to all of the lippies in this collection, because I did pick up every last one with the exception of like the Ellarie like matte lipstick. I already had the lip pencil, but I ordered another lip pencil. But yeah, I'll have a video coming up for that. But again, this is my first impressions of the Huda Beauty foundation, the Faux Filter foundation. I absolutely love it as of right now. I may try to do some check-ins throughout the day. I'm not really sure because it's a little bit early right now. I'm about to go eat lunch with my mom. Her birthday was yesterday, and yeah, so I can try to do some updates. I'm not really sure. But as of right now, I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. So if y'all have any questions related to this foundation or this video, just leave them down in the comment section. Any questions that you may have about anything actually in particular, just leave them down in the comment section. Any video suggestions that you all can come up with that can, you know, help us out, leave them down in the comment section as well. And I will try to leave all of the items that I use on my face down in the description bar, which is directly below the video. But until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.